Alright, what's up, guys? This is your girl Keisha Monet here, and I'm here to talk about the problems with the Xbox One. Okay, so like when you first put your game in and then it won't start up. So what you will want to do is, hold on, guys. Alright, so say if one of your games won't start up, like 2K. If I launch 2K, it wouldn't start. So I'm gonna sign into my account. Sign in. And then I'm going to launch 2K. So I'm launching 2K, and you see that it's taking forever to load up. So I should be getting an error message. Okay, like this. So it say please try again. For some reason NBA 2K16 took too long to start. So what you want to do is hit close, and then if it does that, you want to go to my games and apps. When you go to my games and apps, it tells you your storage. Mine says 60.2. If you have like a lot of games installed, I recommend you installing them, the ones that you don't play. So say for instance that is this one game taking up a lot of storage, and I would say that's GTA 5, but not really. But just say, okay, so you install the game, still don't work. It might work, but possibility it won't. What you want to do is turn off your game by your controller. I'm going to hit, well, sometimes you can turn off your game by your controller, but sometimes I just unplug my game from the back, or you can unplug it from the socket. So I'm gonna plug it from the back, plug it back in. Okay, turn it on. So once I unplug it, it should come back on. Okay, so once it come back on, you don't want to sign in, so don't sign into your account. If it still don't work, then you should just install one of your games to see if it works. But out of those two problems, out of those two solutions, those help. Either one, you can do it like this. Don't sign in and just click on the game and then wait to say click to play. Press A and sign in. That will work. Or it's just your storage. So let's go back to 2K. Don't sign in. Alright. Hopefully it should work. If it don't work, then sign in and then just delete one of your games that's taking up a whole bunch of storage. It might not start up for me because I just bought Resident Evil 6, and it might not yeah, it's not gonna work because I installed Resident Evil 6 and it's taking up whole bunch of storage. So either one of those solutions, turn off your game, turn it back on, don't sign in, just click on the game, or either just clear your storage. If this helped you guys, make sure you subscribe and like to my channel. Once again, make sure you like and subscribe and come back for more. Thank you.